SGI Property Management in Phoenix. If you're a landlord, understanding your responsibilities around service animals is important to avoid legal issues and protect your property. Service animals are protected by federal and state laws. Landlords also have specific laws they must follow. I'll explain what you need to know about allowing service animals in your rental property. Step 1 is to understand what qualifies as a service animal under the law. Typically, a service animal is a dog trained to perform specific tasks for a person with disabilities. Service animals help with blindness, hearing loss, mobility issues, and medical alerts. Emotional support animals or pets do not automatically qualify as service animals. Some states or local laws may offer additional protections. Do not ask for detailed medical records or proof of disability. You can only ask 2 questions. Is the animal required because of a disability, and what tasks does it perform? Step 2 is to know your legal obligations. Under the Fair Housing Act and the Americans with Disabilities Act, landlords must make reasonable accommodations for tenants with service animals. There are a few things to keep in mind. You cannot charge pet fees or deposits for service animals. You also must allow the service animal even if you have a no pets policy. You cannot refuse housing solely based on an applicant with a service animal. The only exception is if the animal poses a direct threat or causes significant damage. Handling service animal requests can be tricky if you're unfamiliar with the laws. At SGI Property Management, we help landlords understand and comply with service animal regulations so that you can avoid costly discrimination claims. For help staying legal, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to answer questions and review your policies. Step 3 is managing documentation and communication. While you can't demand medical records, you can request reasonable documentation if the need for a service animal isn't obvious. Examples include letters from a healthcare provider or a licensed professional. You can also request proof that the animal's trained to perform certain tasks. Keep communication professional and document every request and response carefully. Step 4 is to set clear expectations for the tenant. Even though service animals are allowed, they're still responsible for controlling the animal, cleaning up after it, and preventing property damage. Step 5 is what to do if issues arise. If a service animal is causing damage, you have the right to address it, but you must be careful not to violate discrimination laws. You'll want to document complaints and damage, provide written warning when needed, and explore alternative accommodations before taking action. We recommend consulting an attorney if you're unsure how to proceed. Understanding service animal regulations helps protect you as a landlord and support tenants who rely on these accommodations. At SGI Property Management, we're here to help landlords navigate laws and regulations to manage properties smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for landlord tips. Thank you for watching.